Ordinary person, I have no exceptional talent in anything. Neither I am a very good scholar, nor I am a very technically sound person, nor I can write exceptionally well. But still, the perseverance with which you doing our job can take you to a higher level of achievement. He said that one is identify your capabilities. That's what many times we don't do that. Everybody is talented. All of you are talented. Only thing is we need to identify our capabilities. How do we do that? Imagine what you like doing well. Imagine what you like, what you imagine yourself. What are your interests? Where do you want to go?